Alexis McKenzie with their local Loan to Home team here again with another community tour in the beautiful Solara Resort in Kissimmee near all of the Disney theme parks, which is a must being close to those. But you can own your very own vacation home here, and the best part is their amenities. They have top-notch amenities that we're going to get a chance to show you today. Everything from swimming pools, kids splash pads, indoor sports bar, outdoor tiki bars, sundry shops, restaurants, even a teen center, somewhere for your teens to go hang out and have a good time. Let's go check it out. Here in Solara Resort, they have single-family homes that range from 4 bedrooms all the way up to 10 bedrooms. You buy your vacation home here and you get to theme it however you want. Put in arcades, movie theater rooms, theme the bedrooms, whatever it is you want to do to make it stand out in the rental pool. Use the home whenever you want and rent it out when you're not here. Let it make you money. So if you're looking to purchase a vacation home in a resort like Solara, let us know. We can help you find a profitable one and help you every step of the way.